We're back again at Jethro's Garage, where we've finally gotten some more work done on the 91 RS Camaro, which I have now named White Claw. Fired it up for the first time in 12 years yesterday. To get to that point, we replaced the fuel tank, we replaced the fuel pump and pickup assembly, we replaced the complete distributor because we had intermittent spark. The whole inside of the distributor was completely full of corrosion. So it was just a better deal to me to get a complete Delco reman. Once we had spark, the thing wanted to start, but it was only hitting on one cylinder. And if I shot fuel in the throttle body, it would fire. So I pulled the upper intake, removed the injectors, ultrasonically cleaned them at the advice of a friend, and set up a rig to basically pressurize injector cleaner to them while pulsing power to them. Only one injector actually fired. So anyway, that's where we're at with this thing right now. We're going to see if she fires up. And here we are. It's running. It's not running great. It's leaking oil around the base of the distributor. I don't know if maybe I nicked the O-ring putting the distributor in when I changed it. There she is. No exhaust currently because you got to remove the muffler to get the fuel tank out. She needs a lot of cleaning up. But now we can at least get it in the garage where it's not so hot out. This is the 4th or 5th t-shirt I've had on today. Yeah. Alright, and there we have it. She looks a lot better with a little pressure washing. However, you can still see this car was repainted at some point, the clear coat's failing. No big deal, it's all going to get painted again in due time.